Scholarships from the Zakat Fund reflect our commitment to nurturing knowledge and empowering future leaders of the nation. After 7 years, scholarships have once again been granted, this time with 50 opportunities, marking a renewed era of investment in higher education and national development. The previous round was in 2018, and in 2025, this initiative has been relaunched on a much larger scale. Between 2019 and July 2025, the Zakat Fund has invested a total of 14,916,330 rupiah 80 lari in scholarships that were awarded in 2018, with yearly expenditures reflecting our sustained commitment to education. 1,575,121 rupiah 94 lari in 2019, 633,869 rupiah 94 lari in 2020, 11,495,675 rupiah 89 lari in 2021, 464,172 rupiah 6 lari in 2022, 461,533 rupiah and 50 lari in 2023, 225,468 rupiah and 66 lari in 2024, and 60,488 rupiah 76 lari up to July 2025. A significant milestone was achieved on 31st December 2024 with the gazetting of the new scholarship guideline, regulation on offering financial aid for higher education from Zakat Fund. This regulation introduced 3 categories of support: full scholarships, special scholarships, and aid for ongoing students, ensuring a structured and targeted approach. Under this new regulation, 50 scholarship opportunities were opened in 2025. Of these, 37 were designated as full scholarships and 13 as special scholarships, including 10 stipends for students pursuing studies in Saudi Arabia and Egypt and 3 for medical super specialization. By 16th August 2025, 24 scholarships had already been awarded, reflecting our ongoing commitment to nurturing talent and providing educational opportunities that align with national development goals. This initiative demonstrates the Maldives Zakat House's dedication to empowering students, supporting higher education, and ensuring that every eligible individual has the resources and guidance needed to pursue their academic aspiration with confidence.